Let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm Brian.
I'm Mitchell.
And this is Fort Worth Fabric News. We have a banner now.
We do have a banner
That's how you know it's real.
But we need to cross this out and put news here.
Do we want to do like a black Sharpie cross or like red through the middle?
I think red with a
And then just like awkwardly write news to the corner.
I'd say under it.
That way they can actually see it.
Yeah. Because if you do it out here, maybe like you're sitting in front of it.
Well,
you're sitting in front of this.
I said the entire thing.
Yeah.
No. I'm massive. All right. Well, it's been a month.
Yeah. Anything changed for you past month?
In the past month, nothing big really. No.
Yeah. Just
nothing exciting. I heard you won a race.
Well, I didn't win, but
you didn't even win. Yeah, you got second place though.
Yeah.
You know,
it's pretty solid.
Arguably the worst.
I was speaking more work related though. Anything happened the past month?
Work? Oh, work. Sorry, I thought you wouldn't know what was actually happening with me. Yes, there has been quite a bit that has happened in the past month. We have received a lot of fabric. We've even received one that we've been waiting on a very long time.
Very long time.
Mitchell, go ahead and show them what we were waiting on.
We have received Fields of Gold.
That was well done.
Thank you. So we have our 10-inch stacker and our 2.5-inch strip here. And then we got a couple.
Very nice. We actually have still a few of these in stock, so if you feel like you like them a lot, we have a few of these. So if you feel like buying them, go for it.
We got bolts of fabric as well.
Yes, this is part of the Fields of Gold collection. It's a nice gray gingham check, I believe is how it is pronounced.
Gingham?
I don't know. I always just refer to it as plaid, but.
Okay, we got, what is that, flowers? Or like
I don't know if we should smush the pre-kits.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, come on.
We got flowers on yellow, or is it what, leaves with flowers, or vines with leaves? And
we should really check the names that we have on our website.
We really should.
Is there a name on here?
And there is not.
Alright, well we know it's Wilmington and Fields of Gold.
We do.
We also have these available.
Plenty.
All these bolts we have right here, we have some extras at our store that you can actually buy
right now
online.
We got floral. I know that. Floral on a white background.
100% floral because there's flowers on it.
That makes a lot of sense to me.
More than one flower, that's why you know it's floral.
That's florals.
Otherwise we would have called it a certain print.
Now you see that we have that in white, right?
We do have that
I told
in
you?
white.
Yellow.
Sorry
about your What about yellow though?
I have to go to the doctor. But yes, we have it in yellow. It's yellow, but it's
yellow with
it's
florals.
floral.
Yeah, same.
And we have some of that at the store as well.
Same print, right?
So I'm just kind of showing you some of these pretty nice prints right here.
Are available to purchase right now.
Yeah, and these came out of the box. These are all nice quality. We didn't really.
We just opened them out of plastic
for
this video.
These are all new,
fresh. That's why this edge is not the best cut. But anything being sent out will be cut properly.
Absolutely. Do not fear. So we got Fields of Gold. Huge development. Honestly, it was 2 pallets worth. People don't know what 2 pallets worth is. It's a lot.
It's a lot of boxes.
It takes up a lot of our store. So we're excited to get that out and selling it. Another thing we wanted to mention was this Christmas quilt right here that we have made. We can actually go ahead and show you the whole thing. Oh, thank you very much, Mitchell.
Yeah, no problems.
Is this just the back of it? All right,
yeah,
there we go.
And here we go.
Voila. Let's open it up real quick.
Is it upside down? No, it's
sideways.
It's sideways. Here we go.
So now that you've seen all angles of the quilt,
I'm saying like back here, so it can be shown better.
We can be the showgirls.
Yeah, exactly.
Here we have the Christmas quilt. It's very nice, and the best thing about it is
the red truck.
Is the red truck.
I like the red truck.
And the Christmas tree on top of the truck.
There is a Christmas tree on the red truck.
It's very
Christmassy.
Christmassy. That's definitely the word I was looking for. And we got all the snow prints. We got the nice houses. Those are houses, right? It's just a house. Yeah.
This is all from a Via Rosa pattern, so it is very easy to quilt. All instructions are on a little pattern sheet thing you can get.
And this is just a panel quilt, right? This
is just the panel. Yeah.
Yeah. Overall, it's a pretty easy quilt to make. You could definitely order it and have it done by Christmas. It'd be a great present to give people.
Will be linked in the description below.
In the description below. How do we fold this? Next we have a FAQ, actually. Put that over there.
An FAQ. What does that mean?
That means frequently asked questions.
Oh.
Questions that we felt like we needed to address in this video just to kind of inform y'all what really goes down at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
Hey, are we open for public? Are we able to come shop?
No, we actually don't do that. We are a online only store, and so all of our orders, everything we do is going to be online. Pretty much if you ever come to our store, it's just us working. You know, we don't really do shopping or anything. So yeah, just an online only store.
Got it.
What kind of store are we?
We're an online only store.
Online only. And if you ever have any questions, just check the website. We have a lot of answers there as well.
Yep. We should have an FAQ on our page under information. Let's find out. Feel so professional with this.
Microsoft Surface.
Yeah. It is under, if you go to information, there's a frequently asked question tab on our website you can check out.
One of those questions being, are we an online only store?
Yes,
We are an online only store. All right. The second question we get asked, are we real? Mitchell, is this family business of yours for, what, 6 years, 7 years?
Longer than that. We've been in business since 2009.
Since 2009? Would you say you're a scam?
You know, I don't think we're a scam.
You don't think you're a scam?
I don't think we're a scam,
I don't
no.
think we're a scam. It seems legitimate to me. Of course, I work there.
Who are the people asking you about the scam?
Under contract, I have to say that we're not a scam. Not really, no. No. I think the most of it just comes from the confusion of the pre-orders. That is the whole pre-order thing.
So, with pre-orders, we basically will put on our website, there's a section called pre-orders. Any collection on there that you order, it'll have a date on there of when we expect it to ship to us. That basically means you are able to order it and secure that you get that fabric. Whenever we get that shipment, we will cut the fabric to your specifications and you are guaranteed to get it, and we will ship it when we receive it. That being said, if you order something that is currently in stock on top of having a pre-order, we are likely going to, unless you specify somewhere in the comments, you can put anything in the comments or email us or text us, call us, anything. Anything that has in stock and pre-order, we are likely going to hold until that pre-order shows up, and then we will ship it to you. So that whole question about are we real, I think, comes from the pre-order section, because sometimes people order pre-orders and then expect us to ship it when we do not have the fabric yet, and it'll say a date on there of when we expect to receive it, and whenever we do get it, we will cut it and send it out to you.
I think it's a big thing too is when we expect to see it, because we don't always get it when we expect to see it. Sometimes we get told by the manufacturers, hey, we're actually going to have to push that date back another month. So really, we're just kind of working with them and then getting it to y'all as fast as we possibly can. I'm trying to think, what are other questions?
Our other question, what is our return rate? Like, how quickly do we get our fabric out? Or how does that work?
Right. So whenever you place an order with us, you can expect results within 48 hours. 48, not 24.
Unless it's a pre-order.
Not 32, not 15, not even 12, but 48 hours is when we try to, that's how we process it?
Yeah,
right?
we will roughly have your order out within
48
hours of weekdays, of what is that, business days?
Yeah, business days.
We will have your order
all
usually.
5 of them.
Oh, it's a solid amount, honestly.
Right, Saturday, Sunday, not business days.
We are not working those days.
No.
So, if you order with us, we will likely have your order, and it is all in stock. We will likely have it cut and shipped out within 48 hours business weeks. How do I word that? I don't know how to word that.
That would sound like you were going to say 48 business days.
48 business.
You can definitely guarantee it'll be out in 48 business days.
That may include some of the pre-orders too.
It might even.
A couple.
Depending on the pre-order.
Yeah, it depends how soon it comes.
Any other frequently asked questions?
I think that was all the questions we had for this week. If you have any other questions, please feel free. There's a comment section below. Go ask them. We will bring them up in these videos.
Right there.
It is right there.
Yeah, is that what that bargain? Yeah. If you have any questions, always comment below. We will definitely respond to them as well. We definitely look over those things.
We do. And any other questions that you might have, like fabric related wise, you can call, email, text us. That information should be all over our website under our Contact Us page, or tab.
And then we have something truly special for you guys today. It is the Mystery Quilt Kit. It is all ready to go. We actually have a completed copy right here. Let me go ahead and show you guys.
we should have a free response question. No, not free.
Free response? Yes, if you feel
We
like
should-
writing an answer, we have
should-
questions we need answered. There you go.
I'll take it. Why not? Oh my god.
What was that?
How is your chair hitting right here?
Oh,
Okay. Don't sit down so hard next
I
time.
was just sitting down. It was the chair's fault, not me.
Okay, fair enough.
You see I'm fat, huh?
Yes.
Talk about that later. Well, I guess rather than saying, oh, look who it is.
Huh. What's he need?
Yo, what's up, Robert?
What up?
Not much. What are y'all doing?
We're filming a YouTube video.
Oh, nice. We're making a guest appearance.
Presently, yes. Would you like to see it? Let's show
Show him.
Yo. Very nice.
I like it. I
That's,
think it looks great.
It looks pretty good. It's pretty simple. Just shove this
Whoa,
off.
whoa, 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 whoa.